In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can see your comment history on TikTok. You can simply see all your previous comments on videos ever since you joined TikTok in just few simple steps. To do this, simply head into your TikTok. On your profile page, you will have to tap on these three lines right here and head into your settings and privacy. On the settings page, scroll down onto the option of activity center just right here. Select the second option of comment history. On this page, you will see all comments you have been writing ever since you joined TikTok. To delete any comment, you will just have to head into the video you wrote the comment to and then delete it. That's how easy it is to see your comment history. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.